Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to our channel. Many students asked me to keep recording videos on motivation. So I'm back with the importance of motivation. Guys, listen carefully from starting to end. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, then subscribe first. Now let's talk about the motivation. Motivation is very important for everyone. Motivation is important to live the life, and we can't live our daily life happily without motivation. Motivation is the presence of purpose and desire to achieve daily life, career and business goals, and many more. Just an example, motivation helps us to get up early and become productive. Is it not right? When, when we are inspired, excited, getting more than expected results from something, we get motivated. Such as it's inspiring when you read stories and beliefs of successful people. It's inspiring when you see someone achieving something great and feeling happy. That's the way we feel motivated, and it helps us to achieve our own goals, isn't it? There are thousands of motivations around us, you won't believe, such as motivations from our hardworking parents, motivation from books, motivation from quotes, motivation from seminars, and motivation from water, trees, so many things. Even motivation from kids, motivation from our teachers. So, there are so many sources of motivation, but the biggest truth is that most of the people can't identify all of them. It's because that we are not connected with the sense of motivation. I will describe the sense of motivation in detail later. The sense of motivation is the greatest thing that comes to our hearts and mind equally many times in a day, but most of us are failed to get it. The sense of motivation is the key to various achievements in our life. The most popular basketball player, Michael Jordan, says, "When I lose the sense of motivation and the sense to prove something as a basketball player, it is time for me to move away from the game." Now, as I told, what is sense of motivation? Guys, understand the sense of motivation. The sense of motivation is an impression and cognition that can happen accidentally or at any time of the day or night. Now, if I ask you cognition, here you got the new word. Cognition, you understand? Let me explain in Hindi. Cognition means वह प्रक्रिया जिसके द्वारा मस्तिष्क में ज्ञान और बोध का विकास होता है. संज्ञान कह सकते हो, अभिज्ञान कह सकते हो, अनुभूति कह सकते हो. So that is called cognition. Let me repeat. We get the highest motivation when our sense of purpose connects with our sense of motivation. For example, when you see motivational videos, your sense of motivation gets activated, and it starts connecting with a sense of purpose. That's why we watch motivational videos and people recommend watching motivational stories. Isn't it? Motivational helps to achieve goals and dreams in a life. You can also say that the motivation is intent or reason behind something. Well, now let's understand why motivation is important to live happily, wealthy, and freely. First point, motivation is important to manage time efficiently. Motivation is important to manage daily life challenges, opportunities, and time efficiently to keep moving forward and achieving goals. Motivation helps us to manage our time and become productive and beneficial for the organization. For example, personal, official goals and dreams motivate us to keep waking up early in the morning. We do exercise and yoga to stay healthy and fit. It's because we are walking towards our goals. When we are motivated, we don't waste our time. We communicate based on values and facts. We just focused on the goals that we need to achieve before the end of the day, isn't it? This is why motivated people are more productive and use time efficiently. Point number two, motivation helps to manage employees effectively. How? If you are an employee, then I believe that you don't like lazy and negative mindset manager or leaders. That's why motivation at the workplace matters the most for managers and leaders. It's because employees, teammates can be negative, less excited to work on certain projects. But leaders and managers have to showcase excitement, creativity, energy, and a value in the projects. Motivation helps the organization to make employees happy and motivated to work hard to achieve goals. And to improve the motivation level of employees, many organizations and companies promote, appreciate increased salary, honor publicly, and provide various other facilities to deserving candidates. That connects the sense of motivation with a sense of purpose in employees' minds, and they dedicate their hours to achieve organizations' goals. That's why motivation helps us to become more productive in the workplace. While some employees are self-motivated and they know when they get what they want. If you are handling team and employees, then talk with them sweetly, appreciate their every effort, ignore their mistakes, and focus on their department and respect their point of view and feelings. Never showcase that they are less in anything other than motivation, and inspire them that they are special for you. Sometimes it happens when we were in school, we used to think that my teacher loves me the most. So that feeling, give them. Such motivational practices boost the morale of employees in the workplace, in the offices, and they become motivated. That's why motivation is the workplace and organization is important for productivity. Now, point number third, importance of motivation in education. Motivation is important for teachers and students. Motivated teachers inspire students to focus on, and students motivated for learning inspire teachers to teach. Teaching is a selfless practice. You can't get motivation from a salary for teaching. There are many teachers in India who teach students freely or very minimum wages. They are not motivated by salary in their job. They are motivated to explore the creativity in students. They are motivated to make smiles on the students' faces. They are motivated to build their careers that train them to fight with any kind of career and life problems. But it's possible and very helpful for teachers in India if they get the salary they deserve. And I think India can become a developed country faster if the government spends some extra money on teachers training. Yes, here I focus on teachers training, advanced equipment, learning practices, educational creativity, and in building great learning and teaching environment for students and teachers. It's tough for students to get the motivation to complete the degree when they see there are no jobs for existing degree holders. It's tough for teachers to teach selfless if they know that the government is not supporting them. That's why I think teachers and students need motivation, and it's because they are nation builder. If country developers are not motivated, then you can see that it takes many years to become developed. Isn't it, guys? So few points I shared. How did you like? If you really like, then write your feedback in comment box. You can take this session as a listening skills, because the more you listen, the more flexible you become in English language. There are 4 sections: reading, writing, listening, and understanding. So understanding comes by the listening and speaking comes by discussions. This session was for the listening. So how did you like? Please, I'm waiting for your feedback. The session was on importance of motivation in our life. So it's enough. Stay tuned. If you really like, then write in comment box, so I'll make more videos like this. See you in the next lecture. Till then, stay tuned and share this video with your friends if possible. Thanks in advance. Take care.